Hello everyone. Have you ever experienced a small shock when touching a metal door or noticed tiny pieces of paper sticking to a comb after rubbing it on dry hair? Why does lightning occur during thunderstorms? All these fascinating phenomena are explained by one fundamental concept of physics known as electric charge. Today we will study electric charge in detail, its meaning, types, properties, units, laws, and real-life applications. So let's begin. Introduction to electric charge. Electric charge is one of the most basic properties of matter. It is responsible for all electrical and magnetic phenomena that we observe around us. From the functioning of mobile phones and computers to lightning in the sky, everything involves electric charge. Every object around us is made up of atoms, and within these atoms, electric charge plays a crucial role in determining how objects interact electrically. Definition of electric charge. Electric charge is a fundamental property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electric field or near other charged objects. In simple words, electric charge is the property due to which objects attract or repel each other electrically. An object becomes electrically charged when it gains or loses electrons. Discovery and origin of electric charge. Electric charge originates at the atomic level. An atom consists of protons, positively charged, electrons, negatively charged, neutrons, no charge. Normally, an atom is electrically neutral because the number of protons and electrons is equal. When electrons are transferred from one object to another, the balance is disturbed, and electric charge appears. Types of electric charge. There are two types of electric charge. Positive charge. An object becomes positively charged when it loses electrons. Example: a glass rod rubbed with silk becomes positively charged. Negative charge. An object becomes negatively charged when it gains electrons. Example: a plastic rod rubbed with wool becomes negatively charged. Basic law of electric charge. The basic law of electric charge states, like charges repel each other, and unlike charges attract each other. This law explains why two positively charged objects repel two negatively charged objects. Repel a positively charged object attracts a negatively charged object. SI unit of electric charge. The SI unit of electric charge is the Coulomb. C. 1 Coulomb is defined as the amount of charge transferred by a current of 1 ampere flowing for 1 second. Electric charge is measured using instruments like electrometers. Quantization of electric charge. Electric charge is quantized, meaning it exists in discrete units. The smallest unit of electric charge is the charge of 1 electron, denoted by. Any charge on a body is always an integral multiple of this fundamental charge. Conservation of electric charge. The law of conservation of electric charge states, electric charge can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to another. This law holds true in all electrical phenomena and reactions. Methods of charging objects can be charged in 3 main ways. Charging by friction. When two objects are rubbed together, electrons are transferred from one object to another. Example: rubbing a comb on dry hair, rubbing a glass rod with silk. Charging by conduction. In this method, a charged object is brought into direct contact with a neutral object. Charge flows from the charged object to the neutral object. Charging by induction. In charging by induction, a charged object is brought near a neutral object without touching it. Charges rearrange themselves, and the neutral object becomes charged. Electric charge and force. Electric charge produces electric force. The magnitude of this force depends on the amount of charge, the distance between charges. This interaction is explained by Coulomb's law, which we will study in advanced classes. Nature of electric charge. Electric charge is a scalar quantity, meaning it has magnitude but no direction. However, its effect depends on the type of charge, positive or negative. Electric charge in daily life. Electric charge plays a role in many everyday situations. Lightning during thunderstorms, static electricity, photocopiers and laser printers, electrostatic air cleaners, painting and powder coating. Dangers and uses of electric charge. While electric charge is useful, it can also be dangerous. Lightning can cause severe damage. Static discharge can damage electronic devices at the same time. Controlled use of electric charge powers modern technology. Difference between electric charge and electric current. Electric charge is a property of matter. Electric current is the flow of electric charge. Understanding charge is essential to understanding current and electricity. Importance of electric charge. Electric charge is important because it is the foundation of electricity. It explains electrical and magnetic phenomena. It is essential for modern technology. It forms the basis of electronics and communication. Summary and conclusion. To summarize, electric charge is a fundamental property of matter. It exists in two types, positive and negative. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. Charge is conserved and quantized. SI unit is Coulomb. Electric charge is the starting point for understanding electricity and magnetism. Call to action. This lecture helped you understand electric charge clearly. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel for more easy and concept-based physics lectures. See you in the next video. Keep learning and stay curious. 高压电标制火箭